In this video, you will find the midpoints of the following segments with the given endpoints. So here, find the midpoint of each segment with the given endpoints. Before we can do these problems, we'll have to know the following rule. Midpoint is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. This part refers to the midpoint of the x's, and this part refers to the midpoint of the y's. So as we do these problems and find the midpoint of these 2 points, we'll need to find the midpoint of the x's separately and then the midpoint of the y separately. So the midpoint of x is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2. This is x1 since it's the first point. This is y1, x2, y2. So here, the x-coordinate of the first point is 1, and the x-coordinate of the second point is 5. So let's plug that in. 1 plus 5 is 6 over 2, so the x midpoint is 3. Now for the y midpoint, that's going to be the first y coordinate, which is 7, plus the second y coordinate, which is 1 over 2. So we have 8 over 2, which is equal to 4. So the y midpoint is 4. Therefore our actual midpoint, this is shorthand for midpoint, is 3 and 4. Alright, number 4. Same procedure, so we have x midpoints. Let's label these x1, y1, x2, y2. So it's going to be the first x coordinate, which is -2, plus the second x coordinate, which is 8, over 2. So that gives us positive 6. It's going to be positive 6 because this 8 is a greater number and its sign is positive. Therefore the sign at the end has to be positive. Over 2, so xm equals 3. Now the y midpoint is equal to the first y coordinate, which is 5, plus the second y coordinate, which is 7, over 2, which gives us 12 over 2. So the y midpoint is 6. Therefore our actual midpoint is equal to 3 and 6. Now 5. Same procedure. X midpoint is equal to x1, y1, x2, y2. It'll be the first x coordinate, which is 0, plus the second x coordinate, which is 10 over 2. That gives us 10 over 2, which is 5. So xm equals 5. Now, the y midpoint is equal to the first y coordinate, which is 8, plus the second y coordinate, which is 0, which is 8 over 2, equaling the 4. Therefore y midpoint is 4. Therefore our actual midpoint is 5, 4. And that's it. Hope this helps you out. I'll catch you later.